the sky. Asphalt symphony, a trucker's song. The road keeps playing all night long. Every line I cross, every town I see adds a note to the asphalt symphony. Every mile's a brand new score. Thunder drums in the rolling storm. The blacktop keeps my spirit warm. Asphalt symphony, a trucker's song. The road keeps playing all night long. Every line I cross, every town I see a note to the asphalt symphony. This music's written in steel and stone, but it's the highway that I call home. Chains rattling, shadows fall. I'm the road warrior, hear my call. Heavy load, heavy rips, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke, I drive this mill. Life is loud with heavy load and risk. Midnight rain and a blood red sky. Engines scream like a battle cry. Ashes fly where the blacktop burns. drive this mill. Life is loud with heavy load and risk. Share Southern steel rolling fast and true, trucking these highways, singing the blues from Georgia pine to Texas fields. My life is driven by Southern steel. Banjo strumming, stars up high, freedom whispers through the sky. Every chord I play is real, bound forever to Southern steel. Every shadow fades as the miles pass. Neon signs flicker, whisper my name. The road and the night play the same old game. Neon highway dreams guiding my soul, trucking through the darkness, never grow old. Under silver skies and fading beams, I ride forever on neon highway dreams. Lonely diners with a jukebox glow, stories of truckers only I know. But the engine hum keeps me alive. Through midnight silence I survive. Neon highway dreams guiding my soul, trucking through the darkness, never grow old. only guide. I chase the night, I will never hide. Hear the hum of the wheels in time, highway rhythm like a song of mine. Engines howl like a guitar cry, asphalt symphony beneath the sky. Asphalt symphony, a trucker's song. The road keeps playing all night long. Every line I cross, every town I see adds a note to the asphalt symphony. Bridges echo, tunnels roar. Every mile's a brand new score. Thunder drums in the rolling stone. The blacktop keeps my spirit warm. Asphalt symphony, a trucker's song. The road keeps playing all night long. Every line I cross, every town I see adds a note to the asphalt symphony. This music's written in steel and stone, but it's the highway that I call home. Metal thunder rolls beneath my feet. Diesel fire burns with every beat. Steel chains rattle as shadows fall. I'm the road warrior, hear my call. Heavy load, heavy riffs, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke I drive this myth. Life is loud with heavy load and riff. like a battle cry. Ashes fly where the blacktop burns. Another mile, another turn. Heavy load, heavy riff, never backing down. My rock and roll truck shakes every town. Through the storm and smoke I drive this myth. Life is loud with heavy loading riffs. Shakes the ground. Ring of fire, burning bright. Rock and roll thunder in the night. From coast to coast, I'll never tire. I ride forever in my rig of fire. Asphalt smoking, skies turn red. In the rig of fire, burning bright. Rock and roll thunder in the night. From coast to coast, I'll never tire. I ride forever in my rig of fire. Chains, no walls to climb. The road is my rhythm, my song, my time. the floor. on this endless road where legends are born. I ride forever in a diesel storm. Windshield glass. Another mile, another town I pass. But the rhythm of the highway never dies. I keep chasing dreams under burning skies. Diesel storm rolling wild and free. Thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. Take it anywhere. Diesel storm rolling wild and free. Thunder in my veins, fire inside of me. On this endless road where legends are born, I ride forever in a diesel storm. open air. This storm is mine. I'll take it anywhere.